Jose.
Tirahan mo! Tirahan mo!
Tirahan mo! Tirahan mo!
Kurt taking three. Nugget, di pa ba Jerome sa ilalim? Block by number 4. Haba ni Sir. Last 6 minutes on the clock. 15-12, lamang pa rin ng team Walter. Out of bounds, good ball. Nakauna na si Diose na naman, tinignan pa. 2 points, Kenneth Diose. Steal by A. A. Steal by Kim. Grabe ang shooting, pero nakakuha pa rin ni Kim, ay ni ano, A. White taking 3. Nugget, dribble by Bro. To Kim, to Kurt. Kurt. Rebound Mikey, paling sa ilalim. 2 points, Mikey. Nepomuceno, ang Ragbudoy. Foul because si number 6, Mikey Nepomuceno. Mikey Nepomuceno. Last possession before change. Last possession. Grabe si Ragbudoy. 17-14, 3-point lead by Team Plus, and still by Kurt. Tanak na kaya si Kurt. Lilayap na, wala pa rin.
Hoy, lapit ko!
Walter, all alone, sa 3. Change court na po tayo.
Net!
Walter Palasan. Change court na po. Change court.
Tatakbo pa rin si Kenneth.
Mamaya kasi, sa lalaban natin na yun, hindi lang nakatapos.
2014, lamang na po ng 6 ang Team Walter Reyes to keep all alone taking 3. Nugget, rebound by Mikey sa ilalim, ang isa lang. 2 points, Mikey Ragbudoy, Nepomuceno. 2016, in favor of Team Walter pa rin. Kenneth, guarded by Walter, Kim. 10 seconds to shoot. Long shot. Air ball. Good ball. Pass ang ganda pasa naman nun. Wala pa rin iba by Walter. Palasan. Walter pa rin. Lumipas si Walter. 2 points. Walter Palasan. Grabe yung counted yun kung ano. Out of bounds. Sige, labas muna. Good ball. 3! Walter Palasan. Nagigita si Walter. Ayan na. Mikey sa ilalim pa rin. Mikey pumik. Rebound by Marky to number 4. Back to Walter. Nag-init na. Back to ba kaya? Nugget, pa ba Jerome?
Siyang naman, siyang!
9-point lead ng Team Walter. Jerome pa rin. Pass to Mikey sa ilalim. 2 points, Mikey. Nepo, baby. 2 minutes to 53. 25-18, Joseph. Pass to number 4, spin move. Kanya pa rin ang laki niyan. 2 points, number 4. 27-18. In favor of Team Walter. Mikey na naman sa ilalim. 2 points. Ragbudoy. 27-20. 2 points. Number 4.
Kurt, tigil na yun!
29-20. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Team Mix. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Reyes to keep taking 3. Nugget. Anong hatol? Good ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Reyes taking 3. Nugget. Iwo by number 4. Ayan na. Number 4. Tumila pa. Parang Jordan. 2 points. Number 4. Jerome. Ayup play kay Mikey. Grabe naman yung mga top boardan. Nugget, iba by Walter.
Oy!
Good ball! Grabe naman yun. 3! Hey! Grabe naman yung depensa na yun. Good lang. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Reyes taking 3. Third Reyes. Walter, spin move. Walter, not good. Third,
Boss B, ang hirap nito ah. Mga
pass
ganun
to Kim. Back to Kurt. Kurt pa rin lumipad. Not good, di ba kay Mikey? Wow. Third team foul. 34-23, 11-point lead by Team Walter. Reyes, back to Kim. Kim, back to Reyes. Take it, three na naman. No good, piwo by Mikey. Mikey, lumipad. Para kay Lepat, no good. To Walter, guarded by Kim. 33 seconds left. Kick ball. Kaninang bola? Bola ng... Yan, labas muna. Kick ball. Labas muna. 28 seconds. 34-23.
Wala na. Tin, ano, bantay pa yan? Parang nalugi ah.
Kick ball.
Kita mo labas pa
Mikey, no good. To Walter.
Nashoot.
Guarded by
Busoras.
20 seconds. Free throw shot ni... Wala pa rin rebound ni Kurt. Pass to Jerome. Shot lang ko.
Saka tayo naman.
Jerome taking three. No good. Di pa ba A? A?
Taktak!
A? Lumaya? No good. Pero nakuha 2 points. Yeah.